The Spirit House is a restaurant and a cooking school in Yandina, which is on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland in Australia. When guests enter the Spirit House, we want to take them on a journey into Asia. The whole place should be an adventure for sight, sound and taste. The guests can start at the Hong Sa Bar, which has got great craft cocktails but still maintaining the whole Asian vibe, and then move into the restaurant. What we try to do there is blend tradition with modern technique. So it's about taking people on a journey through Thai flavours, but to present it on a plate that is worthy of the one hat that we've earned and have held for the last 10 years. The idea behind the cooking school at Spirit House was for people to learn techniques from a Spirit House ex-head chef that not only will you enjoy, your family will enjoy, your friends will enjoy. So it makes it an amazing day out.